Hello guys, Vinith here, and I don't have like long vlog or something. Yesterday, for the first time in the evening, I saw the snow in my life falling from the sky. It was amazing experience, and right now it's also really heavy snowfall. And then some of my colleagues decided that they want to go outside and drink coffee, and I just want to go with them. So it's not about photography, it's not about clicking pictures, just want to experience very first time in my life outside with the snow, how it feels like. So I will just change my clothes because I'm still in the working clothes. I will change my clothes and I will go outside and drink one coffee, and let's see. That is a snow time, baby. I know that it's very, very cold outside. So I have my gloves, my nice. I bought it in Norway actually, and then I have also, this is from Norway, and very, very uh, nice jacket. The only thing I'm worried about is my microphone because I don't know if it is waterproof or not. But let's find out today. I really have to click this moment because this is once in a lifetime moment for me. This is the first time I am watching this snow, and then we will see how it works. And now it's time for me to go outside. I take my wallet. I take my board card like I need outside. Let's see. And then after a while, I'm changed and I am ready to go. So let's go. No, I don't. And Paul. Oh, look. I just look at them. All the snow came in my hand.
Good luck.
So we will take the bus to the city so we can have coffee. Hello. YouTube.
Last year? No, this year.
Hello. We are watching snow.
Zu Hause.
Danke. Can we walk?
Ja?
You have to do a snow angel. You know what that is?
I want Hannes to do a snow angel. Hannes, please. No, 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 no. Hannes, no, no, no. It's dirty one. Come on. Look at this girl. Hannes, Hannes, up.
Hey! Genau, Kajo. So zurück, ja, die Frau in Rot. Die will.
Look here, Samantha. Somebody make the... Oh,
There.
no! How's this your experience with the snow? Look at this girl. I have to make the. I really have to throw something at this girl, Patricia. Are you ready? We have to. We are really. We have the snow. Oh, I will not gonna miss next time. Again, I will try. You can't run.
I'm not running.
Come on! No, no. Yeah, my shoes. It's very, very like my shoes completely wet now and very, very cold when the water goes inside. So guys, now we are going for the coffee shop so we can drink a nice coffee. Oh, it's very dirty. Look at this bar, it's 111-year-old and it's still in business. But this is the only one in the town, she said.
No, this is Pho.
Okay.
This is Pho.
You make this face, then I will remember. And this is my first experience, so I'm really enjoying with Hannah, Samantha, and Patricia. And I really have to take my revenge. With this snow.
เด็กๆหันหน้ามา
Oh, it's inside my and it's very cold. It's very cold when the snow go inside your. Ah, fuck. So we reached the coffee shop. We reached the coffee shop now. Hello.
You can sit both downstairs and upstairs.
yes
Yeah. I would just see if there's enough space for that you have a couple.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Yeah.
And cacao with cream.
Yeah, perfect. No problem.
So it's my turn. What
Yeah.
can I have? Like, you have hot chocolate?
Yeah, I do.
Get that hot chocolate, please.
You want cream on it?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
If possible, I will love to have cream.
Yeah. I'll make that.
And what else I can have?
Do you want some piece of cake or do you want food?
No, not food, but like something like cake or something.
Yeah.
Cinnamon roll. Do you have cinnamon
No,
roll?
I'm sorry, but the apple cake is with cinnamon and the
what
carrot cake. And then it's berry cake with raspberries and blueberries. And I serve
Okay.
all these three with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Surprise me.
Yeah? No?
I will eat something
You-
out of ordinary.
Okay, the apple cake is quite classic Norwegian.
Then I will eat apple cake. First in my life.
Oh.
So I saw snow for first time, and then I will eat also.
Yeah,
Apple
that's
cake.
it's a good day.
yes
It's
so we have a
perfect, you
lunch
just
menu
tap it
with
here.
the soup that you can get one piece of these cakes, one coffee or
Perfect.
tea,
And then I'll
coffee.
come downstairs with everything.
in case you want to try
so
all the
much.
No
cakes.
problem.
Oh. Do you know what I asked? Hot chocolate with the cream.
Amazing. Milk cake?
Yes, carrot, apple cake. She will bring. So I have hot chocolate with chocolate. That's the best. This is mine.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm just kidding. I just want to enjoy today.
It's fine.
So I have something. Think about it with this snow and with this carrot. Not carrot. It's apple cake. Apple pie. I never had pie in my life, so never had a pie, so it doesn't matter. No. None. Can't cook it.
No, first try it without that. This is first time.
What is this?
Like they are really like
There were apples inside.
different.
Yeah, there's really apple. I can feel apple. I thought it will be like.
You like it? That's nice. Try it.
I just, this cream is. It's ice cream. Okay, with ice cream it's nice.
I don't chocolate filling.
Hello. Sorry. Oh, this is mine.
Ich hatte Cappuccino.
What you had?
I have hot chocolate.
Bro code. So hot chocolate with ice cream and apple pie and with the snow outside. We have to remember that. So guys, now we finished the coffee, we finished everything, and we came back to the snow. And I'm not wearing any gloves, so I think it will be cold enough time. So this was my small tour for the snow one. The last thing is left that I want to do. This is snow for me. It's snowing. Look.
Yeah, this is Hagel. It's not snow. Look, this is no snow. It's Hagel.
Don't listen to her. I'm
It's
experiencing ice, baby.
No snow, ice.
But do you know what I can do with this? So this is how we finish our video, you know. So guys, I hope you like this a small video about my first experience with the snow. It's very snowing and it's really hard to walk here, but we will see us in the next video. And look what is coming. This girl, she will get it back. Okay, so we will see us in the next time, and I have to throw ice on her